Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about while loops and do while loops in JavaScript. So loops are used when we want to repeat a task multiple times without writing the same code again and again. Let us see with an example of while loop. So the very first step is to initialize a variable with a value. This part is called initialization. Then we move ahead with the syntax of while. It is quite simple. We write the keyword while, and inside the parenthesis, we give the condition. Here, we'll mention the task that we wanted to do. Suppose I want to print while, and we are going to mention an iteration, that is a++, which is equivalent to a plus equals to a plus 1. So if I just go and run this code, so we see that it prints 5 times. Another thing is do while loop. So in this case, the very first step will be to initialize, and the syntax will be something like this. Inside do, we are going to mention the action that needs to be taken, and outside that we are going to add a condition. Also, the iteration part will also be inside of this. So if I try to run this file, just ignore the while part and look at the do while part. It also got printed in 5 times. So what is the main difference between the two is that a while loop checks the condition first, then runs the code. While a do while loop runs the code first, then checks the condition. So because of this, a do while loop will always run at least once. Let's understand what I mean by this. So if I change the condition and make it 0 in both the places, so you'll see a difference here. The difference is that while did not get printed, but do while got printed. So in case of do while, the condition was checked later once this block was run, and after that only the while loop was, this part was executed. So the condition was checked later on. But in case of while, the condition was checked first, it was not satisfied, and that is why it broke out of the loop. So in case of do while loop, the do while loop will always run at least one time. So yes, this is the basic idea of while loop and do while loop in JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.